linear inequalities in one variable and in two variable. So first we'll figure out what are linear inequalities in one variable. Now you know linear equalities when x equal to 3. What does it mean? The value of x is 3. So what does linear inequalities mean? That means it is not equal to, it is some other symbol. So it can be either x greater than 3, x is greater than equal to 3, x is less than 3, or x is less than equal to 3. So what is x greater than 3 means? So x greater than 3 means the value of x is greater than 3. It can be 3.2, 3.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything. X is greater than equal to 3 means the value of x can be 3 or more than 3. It will not be less than 3. In this case, the value of x is less than 3. In this case, the value of x is less than equal to 3. Hope this is clear now. Now, one more thing you have to remember is they will mention what does x stands for. X belongs to set of rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers. So that will also be mentioned. Okay, so based on that you have to figure out what kind of value x holds. Now here we are going to assume the value of x is a real numbers. That means it is both rational and irrational numbers. Now when you have x plus 3 greater than equal to 7, simplify this. So the how do you simplify? X is greater than equal to 7 minus 3. So x is greater than equal to 4. So if I ask you to represent this on a number line, you'll draw the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, this side 0, minus 1, so on. This side you have 5, 6. Now because it is greater than equal to 4, on 4 you'll draw a dotted circle and shade this side. Now because it is greater than equal to, you have to shade this part also. So if it is only x is greater than 4, you need not shade the inside part. The inside part would be empty. So I'll mark something like this. So it will be like that if it is greater than 4. Because it is greater than equal to, you will shade this part. This is your linear inequalities. One important thing you have to remember here is when x is greater, negative x is greater than 5, it means x is less than minus 5. I repeat, when negative x is greater than 5, x will be less than negative 5. Similarly, if negative 2x is greater than 6, x would be less than 6 divided by minus 2. That will be x is less than minus 3. This is the only thing which you have to remember. Rest all follows the rule of your equalities. How you solve equalities, the same way you have to solve this also. Okay, let us solve a couple of questions from this. Now first question, this question says minus 1 greater than 2n plus 4 minus 5. Now simplify for this. So minus 1 less than equal to symbol, 2n minus 4 plus this is minus 1. I solve these two. Now minus 1 has to go on the other side. So minus 1 minus this minus 1 on this side is plus 1 less than equal to symbol 2n. So this part is 0 greater than 2n. Now you have to divide both the sides by 2. So 0 divided by 2. So which happens to be 0. So value of n is greater than 0. The value of n is greater than 0. Now it is greater than equal to, therefore you have to put the circle and draw this side. I'll take red color. So because greater than equal to, you'll shade the inside part also. I'll do one more sum from this. I'll solve this question, then I'll move to the next part. So you have 3 minus 2 into bracket n minus 4, which is greater than minus 1. So first simplify this bracket, minus 3 2n minus into minus plus 8 greater than minus 1. Now minus 2n, 3 plus 8 is 11 greater than minus 1. greater than -1 -11. Now this is the one thing we have to remember. I am going to divide by a negative number on both the sides. So when you are dividing by a negative number, this entire symbol changes. So n will be less than -12 divided by -2. So n will be less than -6. So this is the important thing which you have to remember. Many people forget this important thing. Please remember. Now search for -6. Sorry, it's not -6. Both the symbols cancel. It is +6 only. So +6. Even I forgot this. To cancel these two. Remember this tip. Now +6 is this. So mark on this. Which side should we mark? This side. This is less than this. Hope this is clear. I'll move on to the next question. I'll take this 18th question. Simplify this. -6 into 1 plus 2x greater than 6 into bracket 2x minus 1 plus 2x. So open this bracket first. So -6 minus 12x greater than 12x plus -6 plus 2x. Now take all the x terms on one side, all the number terms on one side. So this -6 has to go on the other side. So -6, this -6 on the other side is +6. Let this 12x be here only as of now. 14x here. So this is 0 minus 12x greater than 14x. Now minus 12x on the other side. So 0 greater than 14x. I'm not dividing, I'm just taking this on this side. I am adding something. So the symbol doesn't have to change. Now x will be less than 0 divided by 26. This is 0. Now how do you mark this? Now value of x is less than 0. Search for 0 and less than. So this side you have to shade. Now should you shade the inside part? Yes, because it is less than equal to. The rest of them you solve. Now I'll move on to linear inequalities in two variables. That is when you have x plus y greater than 7. This kind of question. So what do you do here? So you have to take a box, substitute some values of x and get the corresponding value of y. Assume some value of x, get the corresponding value of y. Now two, at least minimum two values of x you need, x and y you need. So I'll assume x as 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, now if x is 0, now first step you take this as x plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 minus x. Now assume, now substitute the x values in this. So when x is 0, y is equal to 7 minus 0, so y is equal to 7. Same way when x equal to 1, 7 minus 1, so y will be equal to 6. Second value is 6. Now third, x equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. Fine. Next is -1, this will become 8. This is 9. So how do you plot it on the line? I'm drawing a rough diagram. No, in this case, first x is 0, y is 7. This side is x and this is y. So when x is 0, y is 7. So this is the first point. When x is 1, y is 6. When x is 1, y is 6. So this is the second point. When x is 2, y is 5. This is the third point. Now join these. Now this line is x plus y is equal to 7. This entire line is x plus y equal to 7. Because we need x plus y greater than 7, the greater than either is this side, this entire region is the greater than, or this entire region is the greater than. We don't know which side it is. So how do you figure out which side is the greater than region? What you will do is put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 and verify. In the equation here, sorry, in this equation you'll put x as 0 and y as 0. So 0 in place of x, 0 plus 0, is it greater than 7? So 0, is it greater than 7? Absolutely not. So this side is not the required region, this side is the required region. So mark it with some other line. This is the required region. Now one more thing we have to remember: if there are two things, x plus y is greater than 7 is one thing, x plus y greater than equal to is one thing. When x plus y is greater than equal to 7, the value of x plus y is also 7. This entire line is the required region. This entire line can also be the required region. Now when x plus y is only greater than 7, that means x plus y is not exactly 7, it is any value greater than 7. So the representation changes here. It won't be this continuous line, it has to be a discontinuous line or a dotted line. Hope this is part is clear. So in our case, it has to be a dotted line. It cannot be a continuous line, it has to be a dotted line. Now we'll solve a couple of questions from this. I'll solve this first question. Y is greater than minus 2 by 5 x minus 4. So make a box, assume some values of x, you get the corresponding values of y. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 values are sufficient. Y equal to, first you have to take this as equal to solve and get the answers for x. So when x is 0, y will be minus 4. Minus 2 by 5 into 0 minus 4. So this would be minus 4. Hopefully this is clear. Now substitute y is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus 4. So this would be 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 4 is minus 20. So this is minus 22 by 5. So this is 4.4 negative. Negative 4.4 to 2. Minus 24 by 5, which is minus 4.8. So let's plot them. Now first when x is 0, when x is 0, y is how much? 4, negative 4. 0, y is negative 4. When x is 1, y is 4.4, somewhere here. When x is 2, y is 4.8, somewhere here. Okay, so we may take couple of more values to be satisfactory. Let's take x equal to minus 1. Minus 2 by 5 into minus 1 minus 4. So this is 2 by 5 minus 4. So negative 18 by 5, which is 3.6. So when x is minus 1, y is 3.6 here. So now plot the line passing through all these lines. Okay, now observe this is only greater than symbol, it is not less greater than or equal to, so it's only greater than. So you'll take a perforated line or dotted line, and which side should we shade? Either is it this side or this side? we are not sure. So what we'll do is we'll assume couple of x and y values which has to be 0 and 0. So let us take the question is y. So what is our question? Y is greater than minus 2 by 5x minus 4. So let us take x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 and see. So 0 greater than minus 2 by 5 into 0 minus 4. So 0 greater than 0 minus 4 greater than minus 4. Is it true? Is 0 greater than minus 4? Yes. So this side is in the required region. This point is in the required region. You can take any point on this side or on this side to verify your required region. So I'm only taking this one point to verify. Okay. So therefore our required region is this entire region is a required region. Next, one more question I'll do here. So I'll do this question. This has two equations. So I have to make two separate boxes. So quickly I'll draw them. So x equal to 0, 1, 2. Put x as 0, you get y as minus 2. X as 1, y will be minus 3. X as 2, y will be minus 4. To plot them, x as 1, x as 0, y is minus 2. This is 1, y is minus 3. And this is minus 4. So when you plot them, so it's a line like this. Now second equation. So x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. When x is 0, you need to take it as equal to and solve. When x is 0, y is 2. So this is 2. When x is 1, you get y as minus 3. So x is 2 minus 10 plus 2, which is minus 8. Let's take, instead of taking, I'll take minus 1. So x is minus 1, 5 into minus 1. Y is equal to minus 5 into minus 1 plus 2. So this is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So when it is this, it is 7. So on the same line, hopefully you can draw. When x is 0, y is 2. When x is 1, y is minus 3. Minus 3. So this point. When x is 2, y is minus 8. We can't draw. So we'll use only these 2 points to plot our graph. You need exactly 2 points to plot. So we have 2 points. Now for both of them, we did not find the feasible region or the required region. And one more thing, it's only greater than symbol. So we are supposed to draw dotted lines. Now which is the required region for the first line? First line was this one. So y is what is the question? Y is greater than equal to minus x, only greater than minus x minus 2. So I have to take x as 0 and y as 0 and see. So x is 0, y is 0. So 0 greater than minus 0 minus 2 greater than minus 2. Is it true? Yes. So this region for this line is required region. Next, for the second line, again 0 comma 0, is it required region or not? You have to verify. Y is less than minus 5x plus 2. So put 0 0 in place of x and y. So 0 less than minus 5 into 0 plus 2. So 0 less than plus 2. Is it true? Yes, 0 is less than plus 2. So this point is required region for this line as well. So satisfying both the conditions are this region. Only this is a required region. the region in between these two lines. The all other regions are not required. Hope this much is clear. So on this basis, you solve the other questions as well. If you do not get, I'll help you out.